guys, it's Kay, and today I've got a review for this stunning BODYWAVE closure wig from RuiYu Hair. I'm excited to show it to you because it's so convenient. It was so easy to apply, and you know me, if it's a closure, I'm all for it. I love the convenience, and I'm basically going to show you what came with the package. So what's in the box is this wig cap. I love when companies give me wig caps, and also a pair of beautiful lashes, and then they also gave me just an elastic band just to help with the wig and the fit. And then they also gave me this really cute pearl clip and also this headband type hair tie thing. So yeah, that's what they gave me. And then this is how your wig will come packaged. So it comes in this bag, and then after you take that off and everything, and the hairnet and everything that protects the wig, this is how it looks. I got a 22-inch BODYWAVE closure wig, and I want to show you guys how well it's made. So that's the closure part. As you can see, it's got hooks, it's got clips, and also it's got the tracks very nicely sewn in. You can adjust the fit of the wig on your head, and yeah, just the quality of the wig is really nice. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut off the excess lace. And when I put on the wig, I realized that I did not have a part, and I want to kind of put a middle part in this wig. So I'll show you how to quickly do that. It's not a train smash. All you really have to do is just split the hair wherever you want your part and just comb it out nicely. And then you're going to use a spray bottle with water, and you're going to take that and spray it very generously around your head. And then all you need to do next is take a hot comb and press that hair down flat. I absolutely enjoyed working with this hair because of just how easy it is. Like I said, I love the convenience that comes with a closure. And yeah, while I was working with it and playing with the hair, it's really soft. As you can see, it's very fluffy looking, and that's how it feels. It feels very fluffy. There was little to no shedding because of just the fact that I'm not dealing with a lot of lace. I'm not plucking anything. It's literally just a take the wig out the box and go kind of thing. And then just to define the part nicely so it doesn't look too wiggy, I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to put that on my part, rub it in generously, and just, make sure that that part looks nice and defined. So yeah, I really did enjoy this hair. It is like my go-to type of curly wig when I don't want to go straight, and also the length is very nice for just, running around, nothing too hectic. And then all I'm really gonna do is take got2b spray it on the top just so that I can get away from flyaways and stuff like that, and just nicely set the hair. So you can see the hair is flat, it's not bulky. Yes, it's a closure, but it doesn't have to look like a helmet, So yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair, definitely go into my description box. I will have a link to the store, and then I'll also have a link to just this hair directly. And if I've got a coupon code for you guys to save money, that will also be down below in the description box. Yeah, so tell me how you guys felt about this hair. Do you like it? Are you with the vibes? Let me know. Let's chat in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.